from HealthPal's Arogya Mitra team. Welcome to the part 2 of Mental Health for Youth with the main focus on academics and career with Dr. Ashwini Belgaonkar, counseling psychologist from Crossroad Counseling Center, Belgaum. In today's changing time, many new careers have come up. Our children approach their career choices quite differently than how we used to choose our careers. Sometimes they come up with very unusual career choices like I want to be a YouTuber, I want to be a model, which we may not agree, and this leads to conflict. So today, let's know from Dr. Ashwini how to handle these situations effectively.
Increasingly, we have young people opting for offbeat hatke careers, and parents are having a hard time because they would rather have their kids opt for tried and tested stable careers, and both perspectives are not wrong. Of course, the issue comes when I have had some parents tell me that we have kids opting for careers which don't require any education or even skills, like a blogger, like a fashion blogger or a YouTuber. And this is, the parents get very disturbed with such kind of offbeat options, and they've never heard of it either. So how do you handle this? It's not easy for any parent whenever their child comes up with such surprising options. So the first thing would be to, no matter what you feel, don't give an immediate response of putting it down and saying what rubbish, what is this YouTuber, what is this fashion blogger. No way, choose a sensible option. The minute we shoot down something a child is saying, it's like the child feels ridiculed, the child feels judged or humiliated. And then the conversation ends right there, which is not a good thing. So what we need to do is understand your child's motivation and his thought process. How did this idea come to your child? Who is your child's role model? What is his or her inspiration? Is this something he's choosing because of the glamour? Is it because of he or she thinks that there's easy money involved here? Are they looking for an escape route from studies? Maybe they're not good at academics and they feel this is an option. I did not study and I'll have a great career and it'll be glamorous. I'll have a fan following. I'll make money. So it becomes very attractive for a child to choose something like this. So anytime a child feels that his idea or interest is being shot down because of a parent's personal bias, he's going to resent you for that. So it's very important for us to have an open mind and to explore your child's interest, right? So now you say, okay, a YouTuber, okay, you know what, honestly, I've not heard of this profession. Just can you tell me more about it? So let us see how much in depth your child can give you information about this profession. He may not have too much information, most likely. So you say, okay, fine, this sounds interesting. So I'll give you a week's time. And you know what, just research on this profession. Come back to me after a week's time and tell me the entire journey. So how, what are the steps involved in becoming a YouTuber, right? What's the career progression like? How much do you expect to earn? What are the stability factors? What are the risk factors? Just like a cost benefit analysis of this profession, and come back to me after a week. So now, meanwhile, we've done our own research as well, and we realize that these are professions which are very unstable, right? Financially, there's no certainty. You may click, you may not click, and this is something that you don't want for your child. You're very clear in your mind that this is something your child may be interested in it, but this is something you don't want for your child. But directly saying it, this is not good, it's not going to work. He's going to resent you. So now, after a week, when you meet, let's see what information your child has in store for you. He may have some information, but I don't think he'll have too many details on this. So you say, okay, fine, this is interesting. So this is your choice number one. Now, this is something I'm honestly not very comfortable with because I know you. I know that you want a lifestyle which has all the comforts, and I know respect is important for you. Having status in life is important for you. And I'm not sure if you'll get all of this with this particular profession, right? So I'm not saying don't do it, but I'm not very comfortable with this choice. So let's think of two other choices that you'd be interested in. So this is, let us say YouTuber is your choice number one. I want you to also think of 2 other professions that might interest you. So now let us, hope that he comes up with 2 other options. And whenever I discuss career with kids, I always give them like a column to do. I say, write on one side, write down the professions that you're interested in, 1, 2, 3. And in the top column, I give them 5 parameters. So the first is ability, how good you will be at that particular profession. Second is interest, how interested are you in. Third is what I call the personality fit. How does, your qualities, your strengths, how do they fit in with this particular profession? Then the fourth is practical reality, right? So for example, if you have an engineer or a lawyer and you're a YouTuber, right? So practical reality, these professions will score much higher than a YouTuber. And the fifth would be parental support. So then you have these 5 choices on top. You have 3 professions on one side. And we ask the child on a scale of 1 to 10, assess yourself on these 3 professions for each parameter. So this is a process of exploration, right? It's a journey, So we don't know where your child is going to end up. So we are going to help him, introduce him to people, expose him to different professions. There are wonderful resources online. There are great books on careers. Let them start, exploring other options as well. One thing we have to make very clear to our children is our expectations in terms of education. That you want to be a YouTuber, it may not require education, but we expect you to have a professional degree. Just in case tomorrow things don't work out. Every family has certain values, and our risk tolerance is also different. So that's one thing you have to say, okay, look, you want to pursue this eventually in life, that's your choice. But we definitely want you to have a professional qualification before you undertake something like this. And then you can give him a choice. Okay, what is the degree you would like to undertake? Once he chooses whichever undergraduate qualification he wants, we hope that during this journey he may develop an actual interest in that profession. And if not, and he while this education process, he actually creates YouTube videos which are very successful, and he starts really doing well, and we sense that he is very committed to it, he has a genuine passion for it, and he's doing really well, then so be it. Let him be happy in his profession.